this presentation was given by my colleague Jessica Mogalla, and she's also responsible global product manager for the two products that were mentioned during this talk for the detection and isolation of CAR T cells for IPC-QC, as well as for patient monitoring. These are quite new products. So basically, the first set of products is a CAR detection reagent to assess, for example, the transduction rates and the amount of CAR-positive cells in the final product. And those CAR detection reagents enable can detect all commercial available CAR T therapies. And currently they are available for CD19, CD22, CD33, and BCMA. But of course, there are more in the pipeline. And the second product line she talked about are our to isolate CAR T cells directly from patient bloods for further downstream analysis, like metabolome analysis, for example. And this is a very useful tool for patient monitoring.